Humans are the only creatures on Earth that can create from something raw and transform it into something more valuable, efficient, and useful. Whether it is creating a bulb or an entire electricity plant, a small piece of fabric, or the AN-225, the biggest aircraft with 640 tons of weight capacity, we took full advantage of this godly gift of creation. Our advancement in the manufacturing process is jaw-dropping as we are successfully progressing to meet every human demand. To fulfill this huge surplus demand, factories in China, the US, Japan, Germany, South Korea, and India are manufacturing on a larger scale. Hello and welcome back to another video by Mirror Review. In this video, you will learn about some of the largest factories in the world and their successful way of processing, manufacturing, and assembly. Number 1. Volkswagen, Wolfsburg. Wolfsburg, one of the biggest cities in Germany, is well known for housing the headquarters of Volkswagen. In this factory, over 800,000 cars are manufactured in a year and sold in 153 countries. This plant covers an area of 6.5 million square meters and is about 98% automated with more than 5,000 working robots in the production line. Number 2. Hyundai Motor Company, Ulsan Factory. World's largest single automobile plant, the Ulsan factory in South Korea produces 14 different Hyundai models. This factory is spread over the land for a total of 5.02 million square meters. With this huge size, the Ulsan factory almost churns out a vehicle every 10 seconds. Incepted in 1968, the Ulsan plant now employs 34,000 people, producing 38.2% of the nation's vehicles. Number 3. Tesla Gigafactory, USA. At Tesla, lithium-ion batteries and electric vehicle components are manufactured in Story County, Nevada. This facility is spread over 492,000 square meters, which is about the same size as 100 American football fields. They are also planning to achieve net zero energy by completely automizing the battery-making process. Number 4. Austal USA, USA. Founded in 1999, Austal USA is an American division of an Australian shipbuilding enterprise. Even though the company is located in Vietnam and the Philippines, its Alabama site is spread over 467,000 square meters of land. This factory builds commercial ships and cruise liners and is also permitted to work for the U.S. Navy on projects like battle vessels. Number 5. Boeing Everett Factory, USA. You need big space to build big airplanes, and that is possible at Washington in the Boeing factory, which is an airplane assembly facility in the United States. The Boeing Everett factory has a surface area of 398,000 square meters and a total volume area of 13,385,378 cubic meters. This factory building is considered to be the largest building in the world, which is big enough to hold up to 13 Wembley stadiums at once. The sun never sets over these giant factories listed above. They all play an important role in the ecosystem of the manufacturing industries. These huge sites of production have taught the world how to work with enormous man-force and machinery. This video will show you how some of these manufacturers took things to a different level. We hope you learn and educate how some of these largest factories operate successfully using innovative ideas and technologies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, please subscribe to the Mirror Reviews YouTube channel.